What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the LifeProof NEXT case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So, without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen, I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the box. As you can see through the front and actually see the case. It says LifeProof NEXT. It's dirt and drop proof, definitely good things. And it also has a new thin design, pretty awesome. So if we come around over here to the back, it talks a little bit more about the case. It says it survives drops from 2 meters. It says it shields ports, mic, and speakers, blocks dirt, dust, snow, and debris, and it has a thin 2-piece case design. So without further ado, let's get out the box, baby. So we can just pop this open right here. And here we go. There it is. So we can just grab the case, put it to the side, and let's see what else is in the box. I believe we have some paperwork underneath this. And yeah, we also have a microfiber cloth in the box. We have some installation instructions. And yeah, we got some paperwork right here. So anyway, now if we take a closer look at the case, as you can see, yes, it is 2 different pieces. So on the bottom back plate piece right here, we got a camera cutout. If we look on the whole case, if we just put it together for a second, right now like this, you can see over here we got the side button. Over here we got the volume buttons. Over here we got the little mute switch area. We got a little, what is this, a little toggle right here to switch that. And yeah, down here we have a little flap over the lightning port, and we have little speaker cutouts right there, and it appears that there's a little bit of a mesh material on that, hopefully to keep debris out like the box said. And yeah, pretty cool. We got black around the edges of this case and a clear back, so you can see that nice iPhone color that you selected with this case. And yeah, let's get it on my iPhone, baby. So now to get this case on your iPhone, you just gotta make sure it is in its 2 separate pieces. Then you can grab your iPhone, beautiful little guy right here, and just pop it in the back piece just like that. Now it is in the back piece, as you can see. Then we can just put the front on right here. And boop, 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 get it on, little dude. And just like that, nice and easy, now this case is on. So it definitely feels good in the hand. LifeProof was right that it does have this nice slim design. I mean, it really doesn't add very much bulk at all to the phone or much weight either. So I definitely like this. It feels actually really good in my opinion. It's super duper cool. Also, it has that clear back. So for example, if you got this new green color like I did on your iPhone 11 Pro Max, you can show off that you got the green or the gold or the silver or the space gray, whatever color you got. But yeah, so that's definitely pretty cool. Yeah, although it is a slim case, it's also great how it provides all this protection from like outside debris, because for example, once again, it's got that little flap over the lightning port right there, so stuff can't get in there. So if you're always using like wireless charging with your iPhone, you might not even need to access the lightning port for most of the time, so it's good to keep it nice and covered so stuff doesn't get in. And also, I think this little cool little mute switch design it's got going on right there is pretty cool. It's like a little, I don't know, like a little thing you turn and then it toggles the mute switch, so I think that's actually kind of cool. And I mean, yeah folks, if you want this case for yourself, it'll set you back about $80. It's pretty much at the top of the line of LifeProof's lineup of iPhone 11 Pro Max cases. The only case that you could say is better than it in the sense that it's more expensive is the LifeProof Free case, the totally waterproof one. This one obviously not waterproof, but yeah. So anyway, folks, that'll be all for this video. If you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the LifeProof NEXT case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, baby. Ooh.